Okie dokie. So, this is the next planner in the pack. Just took a picture of the last one that I filmed. And this is 2016 July. So here we got our monthly spread. And then this was no white space time. More of like a kit because there's like header overlays. Again, nothing crazy happening. This is a super cute kit. Make your own magic. I think it was just called Magic. 1 week till Jessica comes. Maybe that's when she was moving here. We are all fools in love. You must allow me to tell you how ardently I admire you and love you. Is that from Pride and Prejudice, I think? Possibly this one, maybe. I don't know. I think Jessica got here. Was this when Jessica moved here? I don't remember. Ooh, I love the colors of this. We have dentist appointments, bingo baby, work with Jessica, or maybe she was visit Brian, Kirsten, and Avery. Maybe she was just like here this might have been here when she was here for the month in the summer. We went to Vegas, which was super fun. Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. Maybe I was reading the book, I think, on the plane. I don't know any of these. Oh, Penn and Teller and Thunder from Down Under. Super, super fun. Penn and Teller was way more fun, though. This is my August monthly spread. I love the little castle sticker. Oh, my gosh. This was so popular. This just reminds me of Samantha Plans because girl was obsessed with this kit. Probably still is obsessed with the kit. This is the one, right? Is it more the colors or the theme? I don't know. So, yeah, I don't really, and I don't even know. SVC Planner Party 2016. I don't remember where this one was at. This one's Bloomsicle art. I don't know. The rest of them I think were just mostly like Etsy random art. So this one was Bloomsicle, which 3 of the same clip art of the girl in one, which was just honestly wild. But these are like where I feel like the spreads start to get like prettier. This one's nice. Like I think this is pretty. And this is kind of cute. Who knows what happened? This was 17,000 years ago. Last dinner with Baby J. So I think this is when she came just for like a month or so. And she worked a little. She stayed in my like little pool house thing going on. I don't know who this is from actually. The kit. This is from my shop. I don't think that their dinner with Brian, Kirsten, and Avery. I think maybe we went to like Uchiko or something. Then there's like a Wizard of Oz kit. I went to see Wicked again and Aladdin and Something Rotten. Aladdin was fine. I did not like Something Rotten at all. And then we also saw Lion King. This is me and Jessica were just going hard. We saw 4 shows, right? Is that it? Yeah, because they're not open on Monday, right? Yeah. So we saw 4 shows, and my favorite obviously was Wicked, but this was my first time seeing The Lion King, and I loved The Lion King. I thought it was so, so good. This is Bloomsicle art, but I don't remember whose kit this is. It's the one I like the format because I remember the little like dotted lines. Super cute. A monthly. This one's really pretty with like all the sparkles. This is a super popular kit too, Eternal Sleep. And this still to this day, people want me to bring this back. But anytime I like bring back anything that's like old, no one buys it. So, and also like doing a kit with just like that. This is like intense. This is Glam Planner maybe? Honestly, I don't know. Bachelorette Party? I don't know. Oh, it wasn't really a bachelorette party. We just called it that. So basically Jessica flew in, surprised Kirsten with Jessica, and this is Kirsten's, this is a really pretty kitten week actually. This is Kirsten's wedding day. They got married on their anniversary, which was on a Monday. So wake up, breakfast, got ready, ceremony, reception, super cute. And then I think that my in-laws came for a while. Yeah, RV show with my in-laws. I mean, I've been to and they still haven't bought an RV. This is a really cute one too. I love the colors. This is whenever Nick and I went to Denver, which was our favorite trip together of just us was going to Denver. So this is memories. This one's super cute too. This was drawn by Jessica. And these are like super, this is, the glue did not age well. But basically, this is Halloween week. Or like, this kind of reminds me of this year because Halloween's on a Monday. But I cut things out and... Did I mess this up? I must have just like took out pages and was like, gave up. But then we move into like November. The first week of December. And this is Bloomskull art. It's super cute. There's nothing written in this one. Nothing written in this one. More Bloomskull art. So pretty. Nothing written in it though. Again, this one, it says, stay classy, sassy, and a bit bad ASSY. These are so cute, the little munchkins with the SP. Should I have that file still and reformat it because it'd be super cute. And then that, my friends, I gave up. But this is kind of a blast from the past on what the planner looked like this year. This year, it was like the beginning of watercolor, I think. And this was like the neutral. I actually don't think, I said the colorful in the other ones, but I think this was when there was availability to either do colorful or neutral. I think it was really nice because I feel like this was one of the last good ones. And then they went kind of downhill for me, possibly. Maybe I guess it was fine other years too. But this little flag always annoyed me because I ended up putting flags on them. And then I think I ended up whitening them out the year after. But that's everything for this year. I think for my picture, for my thumbnail, I want to do Brian and Kirsten's wedding because that spread is super cute. But I hope y'all like this, I'll say this week's video, this planner flip through. Like I've said with all of them, I feel like I miss things, like probably big things in here, but there's just so much stuff. It's just so wild. I'm really excited to flip through more like the newer ones because I feel like I'll have a better grasp on like what actually happened because the kits kind of more coordinate. Like this, I'm like, oh, it's Brian and Kirsten's wedding week. More coordinate like with what I have going on, which I do like. Or if it doesn't, I know it was just kind of a whatever week. So that's everything. Hope y'all liked it, and I'll talk to you in my next one.